What was the original homeland of the Aryans? A. Central Asia, B. Eurasia, C. Mesopotamia, D. Persia. And the right answer is B. Eurasia. Which animals played a significant role in Aryan life? A. Elephant and tiger, B. Goat and dog, C. Horse and cow, D. Lion and buffalo. And the right answer is C. Horse and cow. Which literary work shares similarities with Rigveda? A. Bible, B. Avestha, C. Triptika, D. Torah. And the right answer is B. Avestha. How many mandals are there in Rigveda? A. 10, B. 8, C. 12, D. 15. And the right answer is A. 10. What is the earliest part of the Rigveda? A. Mandal 1, B. Mandal 2 to 7, C. Mandal 9, D. Mandal 10. And the right answer is B. Mandal 2 to 7. The Battle of 10 Kings was fought on which river? A. Parushni, B. Saraswati, C. Sindhu, D. Ganga. And the right answer is A. Parushni. Which tribe emerged victorious in the Battle of 10 Kings? A. Purus, B. Kshatriyas, C. Panchalas, D. Bhartas. And the right answer is D. Bhartas. The Rigvedic Aryans obtained copper from which region? A. Kolar, B. Singhbhum, C. Khetri, D. Jharia. And the right answer is C. Khetri. What was the term used for non-Aryans who fought against the Aryans? A. Kshatriya, B. Dasyus, C. Vis, D. Vaishya. And the right answer is B. Dasyus. What was the basic unit of political organization in Rigvedic society? A. Jan, B. Kul, C. Vis, D. Sabha. And the right answer is B. Kul. Who was the chief priest of Rigvedic period? A. Purohit, B. Senani, C. Gramani, D. Prajapati. And the right answer is A. Purohit. What was the name of the General Assembly in the Rigvedic society? A. Samiti, B. Sabha, C. Vidhata, D. Gan. And the right answer is A. Samiti. Which Rigvedic deity was considered the god of cosmic order and morality? A. Indra, B. Agni, C. Varun, D. Som. And the right answer is C. Varun. Which term was used for voluntary offerings given to the king in Rigvedic society? A. Bali, B. Bhag, C. Shulk, D. Uparnika. And the right answer is A. Bali. Which natural force was most commonly worshipped in Rigvedic society? A. Water, B. Fire, C. Sun, D. Wind. And the right answer is B. Fire. Which Rigvedic deity was known as Purandar, destroyer of forts? A. Indra, B. Agni, C. Varun, D. Marut. And the right answer is A. Indra. Which Rigvedic god was associated with storms and thunder? A. Agni, B. Varun, C. Indra, D. Marut. And the right answer is C. Indra. What is the primary purpose of the hymns in Rigveda? A. Praise of gods, B. Explanation of rituals, C. Stories of kings, D. Scientific discoveries. And the right answer is A. Praise of gods. What was the term used for the chieftain in Rigvedic society? A. Purohit, B. Gramani, C. Senani, D. Rajan. And the right answer is D. Rajan. Which type of economy was prevalent in Rigvedic society? A. Industrial, B. Agricultural and pastoral, C. Commercial, D. Service based. And the right answer is B. Agricultural and pastoral. Which animal was the symbol of wealth in Rigvedic period? A. Elephant, B. Horse, C. Cow, D. Goat. And the right answer is C. Cow. The term Nishk in Rigvedic times referred to what? A. Unit of weight, B. Land unit, C. Ornament, D. Currency. And the right answer is D. Currency. The Rigvedic society was primarily A. Matriarchal, B. Patriarchal, C. Egalitarian, D. Democratic. And the right answer is C. Egalitarian. What was the significance of Som in Rigvedic rituals? A. Offerings to God, B. Sacred plant, C. Consumed in rituals, D. All of the above. And the right answer is D. All of the above. The term Sabha in Rigvedic society refers to what? A. War council, B. Assembly of privileged elders, C. Marketplace, D. Religious ceremony. And the right answer is B. Assembly of privileged elders. What was the Rigvedic term for group of villages? A. Vis, B. Jan, C. Kul, D. Sabha. And the right answer is A. Vis. Which of the following was not a source of entertainment for Rigvedic people? A. Chariot racing, B. Singing and dancing, C. Theatre plays, D. Gambling. And the right answer is D. Gambling. What was the main function of Vidhata in Rigvedic society? A. Military training, B. Religious and social functions, C. Tax collection, D. Trade regulation. And the right answer is B. Religious and social functions. To which deity is Gayatri Mantra dedicated? A. Indra, B. Agni, C. Savitri, D. Som. And the correct answer is C. Savitri. Which of the following Vedas consist primarily of hymns and praises? A. Atharvaved, B. Yajurved, C. Rigved, D. Samved. And the correct answer is C. Rigved.